Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Labo Variety Kit is probably one of the most innovative and engaging ways to explore the intersection of physical play and digital gaming, offering a unique blend of creativity, construction, and interactive fun that appeals to a wide range of ages and interests. This kit transforms simple cardboard into intricate, playable creations, allowing you to build everything from a piano that plays real notes to a fishing rod that reels and virtual catches, all controlled and enhanced by your Nintendo Switch. It's a fantastic gateway into understanding basic engineering principles while providing hours of entertainment through imaginative building and subsequent gameplay, making it a standout product for families and creative individuals alike. Number 5. Nintendo Labo Variety Kit. Unbox a world of creativity with the Nintendo Labo Variety Kit. It's packed with 5 exciting projects that let you build, play, and explore. From RC cars to a piano, you'll construct unique Toy-Con creations. Each project brings imagination to life through hands-on building. Watch your creations come alive with the magic of the Nintendo Switch and Joy-Con controllers. It's where your builds meet interactive fun. Personalize your Toy-Con projects with your own unique style. Add stickers, paint, or even new parts to make them truly yours. Dive into Toy-Con Garage, a powerful tool to experiment and invent. Connect nodes to create your own custom experiences and new ways to play. With this kit, you can invent entirely new ways to interact with your creations. The possibilities for fun are limitless. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of creative possibilities with multiple Toy-Con builds. If you enjoy hands-on crafting and want to explore different play styles, this is a fantastic starting point. It's perfect for those who love to tinker and invent new ways to play. What people say. The Labo Variety Kit is a fantastic educational toy that combines learning with fun. It includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and easy to follow, making it suitable for children of different ages. The kit comes with all the necessary materials and clear instructions, allowing kids to explore scientific concepts in a hands-on way. The experiments are designed to be safe and stimulating, encouraging curiosity and critical thinking. Number 4. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 04 VR Kit, Starter Set Plus Blaster. Discover a unique take on virtual reality with this kit. It offers fun, family-friendly games and creative DIY activities that encourage tactile play. Enjoy immersive experiences without feeling isolated. This VR kit is designed for social interaction and shared fun. This kit features more games and creations than any other Labo kit. The Starter Set Plus Blaster is perfect for beginning your journey, with expansion options available. With intuitive programming tools like Toy-Con Garage, the possibilities for what you can create become nearly endless. Let your imagination run wild. Each creation is made from durable, pre-cut cardboard that's easy to build with. No extra tools like glue or scissors are needed, just assemble and play. Personalize your creations further with stickers, markers, or paint. Make each Toy-Con uniquely yours. The versatile Nintendo Switch system lets you play together anytime, anywhere. Transform your gaming experience with this exciting VR kit. What we like. Experience virtual reality in a unique, social way with this set. If you're looking for an accessible VR experience that encourages creativity and family interaction, this is the one. It's ideal for those new to VR or wanting to expand their existing Labo collection. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and educational. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for beginners. The materials provided are high quality and durable, ensuring a good user experience. Number 3. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 01 Variety Kit. Unleash your creativity with the Nintendo Labo Variety Kit. Build amazing creations using simple, foldable cardboard sheets. Discover the joy of building your own interactive toys, called Toy-Cons. Then, bring them to life with your Nintendo Switch. This kit includes patterns from multiple Toy-Cons, offering a wide range of play experiences. You can build a piano, a fishing rod, and more. It's a unique way to interact with technology, combining hands-on crafting with digital fun. Experience gaming like never before. Perfect for families and creative minds of all ages. It encourages imagination, problem-solving, and collaborative play. Please note this is the Japanese version of the game. The manual and packaging are in Japanese. What we like. This is the original Japanese release of the Variety Kit. If you're a collector or specifically looking for the Japanese version for aesthetic or other reasons, this is your choice. It offers the same diverse range of Toy-Con creations as the international version. What people say. The Labo Variety Kit is a fantastic educational toy that combines hands-on building with digital creativity. Kids can build physical objects using the included components, and then bring them to life in a digital world through the accompanying software. This kit is great for developing problem-solving skills and fostering imagination. One of the standout features of the Labo Variety Kit is its versatility. It offers a wide range of projects that cater to different interests and skill levels, ensuring that there's something for everyone. The detailed instructions make it easy to assemble the creations, and the interactive elements provide hours of engaging fun. Number 2. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 03 Vehicle Drive Kit. Get ready to embark on an exciting new adventure. This kit lets you build and play with incredible vehicle creations. Assemble a variety of amazing vehicles using the included Toy-Con, experience the joy of creation and customization. Take control of your creations and explore different terrains. Whether you're racing on land, diving underwater, or soaring through the sky, the fun never stops. The intuitive design makes it easy to jump right into the action. Feel the thrill of driving like never before. Discover a unique way to interact with your Nintendo Switch. This kit offers hours of creative play and exciting gameplay. Experience the freedom of the open road, the depths of the ocean, and the vastness of the sky. Your imagination is the only limit. What we like. Embark on exciting adventures with this vehicle-focused kit. If you love the idea of building and controlling your own vehicles for imaginative play, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed for those who enjoy dynamic gameplay and creating their own driving experiences. What people say. The Labo Variety Kit is a fantastic educational toy that combines hands-on building with digital creativity. It's designed to spark imagination and teach kids about coding and engineering in a fun and engaging way. This kit includes a variety of components that allow children to build different inventions, such as a robot, a musical instrument, and a fishing game. The accompanying software guides them through the building process and helps them program their creations. One of the standout features of the Labo Variety Kit is its versatility. Kids can experiment with different designs and coding challenges, fostering problem-solving skills and a deeper understanding of how things work. Number 1. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 02 Robot Kit. Step into the shoes of a giant robot with this incredible kit. Demolish your surroundings and take on exciting challenges to unlock new powers. Make your robot truly yours. Customize its in-game appearance and get creative by decorating your Toy-Con robot with your own markers and supplies. Challenge a friend to an epic showdown. Battle it out using your own Toy-Con robots in a thrilling two-player mode on a single screen. Discover endless possibilities with the Toy-Con Garage. Invent new ways to play and create your very own Toy-Con projects using special input nodes. Don't worry about the packaging language. This kit is region-free and plays perfectly in English on your US Nintendo Switch console. What we like. Step into the shoes of a giant robot with this exciting kit. If you're looking for a unique play experience that involves smashing in-game objects and challenging friends, this is it. It's ideal for aspiring pilots who want to customize their robot and engage in epic battles. What people say. The Labo Variety Kit is a fantastic educational toy that sparks creativity and problem-solving skills in children. This kit offers a wide range of engaging activities that make learning fun and interactive. The components are well made and durable, ensuring long-lasting play and exploration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.